you like to give puzzle boxes as gifts, then this one is a really classic. First, there's a slot in there, so you can drop anything like a card or folded bills or a note, anything you want in there. And then there's this ball bearing and a puzzle or a maze that goes around every 6 sides of this box. And when it gets at just the right spot, what'll happen is you can move this slider over, and that will open it. And I just slid it over too fast, so now I have to go through the whole box again. Luckily, I remember the route, so come through and get it to just in the center here, and that will pop the door. Oh, I did it again. Okay, so this time I'm putting something there to help open that door. And when we slide it over, there we go. It'll open the door, and now you can retrieve whatever was in there. It's a lot of fun, and you can use this over and over. It's easy to solve once you figure out the route. And now that you see, you clip that back on, and it's a great puzzle box, gift box for anyone. Hope this helps.